Hi everyone, my name is Laith Wallace, co-founder of Flowconvert's digital marketing agency. And today I want to talk to you about what Michael has done for me with his value proposition workshop. It really helped me gain clarity and build confidence in my offer going forward. One of the biggest challenges that I had was specifically the fact that when it comes onto knowing where to focus my energy, a lot of my energy had been a bit mismatched, and I've been creating stuff and I'm creating an offer, but I wasn't articulating it with real clarity to the people that I was trying to get over the line. And it's been quite hard to be able to know where to focus my energy and know who my ideal target audience is. With Michael's value proposition workshop that he did with me over about 2 to 3 hours, it really helped me to be very clear on who I'm going to focus on as my ideal offer, as my ideal customer, forgive me, and really being specific on who my ideal customer is, knowing how I'm going to message to them, knowing specifically what goes into my offer was actually one of the biggest benefits for me as well. Another thing as well, Michael showed me how to leverage AI to be able to create 30, 60, 90 days worth of content off the back of really refining up my clear offer. He really showed me how to make it be in my own individual voice versus sounding like some AI robotic ChatGPT thing. He really helped me to make it bespoke to me and very specific as well. So basically working on this offer has been super valuable. Definitely would recommend Michael's value proposition workshop to anybody who's really looking for clarity in what they're trying to create, really wants their messaging to be clear with their offer, and really wants to build confidence when it comes into creating content and really getting yourself out there to be able to get clients. And even since then, since I've been running this workshop, definitely have been clearer on what I'm going to be doing and how I'm going to specifically go ahead and go out there and communicate what I'm doing. So my landing pages are going to be updated, my content's going to be much clearer, and the way I message will be with a lot more confidence and clarity. So definitely recommend Michael, and I'm happy to send this out. So anyone that watches it, he's definitely a great person. So definitely check out the value proposition workshop, and hope to see you guys working with him soon. All right, take care. Bye bye.